Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with pork. First, let's explore popular cuts. Pork loin is lean and quick cooking, while pork shoulder is perfect for slow braising. Tenderloin is incredibly versatile and cooks quickly. Knowing your cut is the first step towards a delicious meal, allowing you to tailor your approach for optimal taste and texture every time. Unlocking pork's full flavor is easier than you think. A basic seasoning of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper is a great start. For extra depth, try a simple rub with garlic powder, onion powder, and a touch of smoked paprika. Marinating for at least 30 minutes or even several hours can tenderize and infuse your meat with incredible taste, making every bite more enjoyable. Choosing the right cooking method is crucial for delicious pork. For a juicy roast, cook a loin at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Pan-fry thinner cuts quickly over medium-high heat. Remember, slow cooking makes even the toughest cuts incredibly tender. Always use a meat thermometer to guarantee perfect doneness and food safety. Avoiding a few common mistakes will elevate your pork dishes. The biggest culprit is overcooking, which dries out even the leanest cuts. Always remove pork from the heat when it's about 5 degrees below your target temperature. Resting your meat for 5 to 10 minutes after cooking allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and moist result every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.